Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you make Google Photos default on iPhone. At first just go to your phone settings. Now in the phone settings just go to your Apple ID and go to your iCloud and go to your photos, and in the photos just toggle off your photos from your iCloud. Now just go back and make sure you have downloaded the Google Photos and you have connected to your account to your Google Photos. Now in the Google Photos, click the top right your profile icon. Now in the bottom here you can see Google Photos settings, click on it. Now click on the top backup, and here you can see backup, toggle it to turn on backup. And after turning on backup, the photos and videos you clicked on your iPhone, it will automatically backup on your Google Photos. So guys, that's how you can make default Google Photos on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.